Uhulaan ko ang isang katotohanan. Alam ko hindi ako magkakamali. Mark, maliit ka pang bata, pinangarap mo ng darating ang araw na ito.
Love comes and love goes.
Kahit hindi mo pa kilala si Catherine noon, nangarap ka isang araw. Aharap ka sa dambana at magpapakasal. Tama?
Feels like just yesterday you were brand.
Alam nyo, may maniniwala kayo, natutupad ang mga pangarap. Dahil itong araw na ito ay araw ng katuparan.
When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. A verse from the Bible, Isaiah 60, chapter 22. At ito na nga. From a simple hi sa chat, na nauwi sa tawagang sweetie.
Year 2015 ako ang unang nag-chat sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, naisipan lang kitang i-chat kasi nakita ko lang na online ka. Perfect timing because that time, papunta ka rin sa Olongapo at nandun din ako kasama yung ate ko. Tamang-tama sa kinuwento mo.
Sobrang nahihiya ako. Nahihiya ako kasi ako yung una nag-chat eh.
Love comes and love goes. Love fades and sometimes it grows.
Siya unang nagsasorry. Siyempre ako din yung unang nagagalit.
Feels like just yesterday you were a brand new face.
Siguro yung parang love at first sight ba yun? Tinatawag mo na. Mararamdaman mo na pag may nakilala kang isang babae, parang iba yung pakiramdam. Iba yung aura niya nung nakilala ko.
Kaya dumating ka ngayon sa araw ng katuparan ito. Kaya ka merong isang babaeng makakasalang dahil mahal ka ng Diyos. At yun ang pangahawakan mo simula ngayon. Lahat ng pagdaraanan mo sa buhay, katuwang mo Diyos.
And even after all these fights, long nights, ups and downs, walking out and turning around, it's you. It's always, always, always.
Sobrang bait. Tapos hindi siya mayabang. Tsaka kahit ano lang yung suotin niya, hindi siya maarte sa damit. Masipag. Tsaka mapagbigay yun. Sobrang napakabait niya. Tumutulong talaga siya.
But if one day with me, would your heart skip a beat? 'Cause I know I'd lose my mind. And even after all these fights, long nights, ups and downs, walking out and turning around, it's you. It's always, 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 always you. It's always, always, always you. It's always, always you.
After that first met, our love story started. February 20, 2016. Sinagot mo ako.
I'm only happy when I'm with you.
Di naging madali sa una dahil it was a long distance relationship. At patagong pag-iibigan with your father. Kasi bawal pa at nag-aaral ka pa noon that time. From Zambales to Bulacan, hindi alintana ang ilang oras na biyahe para lang makasama ka.
They tell me that I'll make it. It'll only be a while, but a while lasts forever.
Sabi nga nila, only a strong woman can love a seaman.
Send out the alarms.
Di, mahirap po talaga sa umpisa. Mga 1 to 4 years, siguro sobrang nakakamiss. Namimiss ko siya talaga.
Me
From this moment, pipiliin kita, my beloved sweetie, to be my dearest wife. upang mabuhay kasama ka at tumawa kasama mo, upang tumayo sa iyong tabi to bring out the best in me always and for you, to be the most that I can.
No storm can stop us. I will be your anchor to keep you grounded when the rest of your life spins out of control. I love you so much, sweetie.
You tell me that I'll make it. It'll only be a while, but a while lasts forever without you. Send out the alarms, I'm all alone. Wrap me in your arms and take me home. Take me home to your arms.
Ano bang feeling ng ikakasal? Kinakabahan ka ba?
Hindi ako nakatulog kagabi.
I promise to love with you in good times, to struggle and support you in bad times, to offer you solace when you are downhearted, to wipe away your tears with my hands and my life.
Take me
To share with you all my riches and honors, to play with you as much as I can until we grow old, and still loving each other sweetly and godly, until our lives shall come to an end. From this moment, I promise to love you forever.